Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. Finally joined again by Executive Chef Anthony Marino.
What's up? Good morning, everyone.
Where have you been hiding, Chef?
I don't know, man. I blame our production team for this. I blame Matt Barba. You know, he can't get the two of us in the studio together. You know, I don't know if we're so busy or, you know, there's so much happening in the Don's Appliance world.
Well, regardless, it's good to have you with us again.
It's great to bring the 1 and 2 together.
So we never talk about financing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, with things getting more expensive and, you know, the dollar not going as far as it used to, one major benefit we have here at Don's Appliances is our finance program.
Yeah, and you know, and it's a lot of people look at it last here. You know what I mean? They come in, they see the great showroom, they see all the appliances we carry, they see the variety, and then, you know, it hits them. You know, sometimes it's like, okay, I need this and this and this. And now the financing is available, and it's tiered structure. I mean, it's a great system as well.
Yeah, and what's nice is if you only, you know, budget only allows you to get, let's say, that washer that just broke. You know what? We can do 1 year same as cash, and let's get the matching dryer, because odds are the dryer is the same age as the washer. And with a program, we always run 1 year same as cash. Which means that payments are required monthly during that 12-month time frame. And for those out there that aren't familiar with it, if you pay off that money prior to that 12th month, it's all interest-free.
Yeah.
Now, one thing I will say, if you go beyond the 12-month, it is a very high interest rate. So you want to make sure to get that paid off within that 12-month time frame.
And you know what I get a lot of times? Okay, we have financing. Is it hard to do? And things like that. And I tell the customers, you know, we have a kiosk set up, a digital kiosk in every showroom, you know what I mean, that they can take, you know, what does it take, 5 minutes or so?
If that, and actually in the showrooms, we've even got the QR codes now.
Yes.
So with the QR code, you don't even have to use our kiosk. You can use your
smart
phone,
device,
your smart device to go ahead and apply and get that taken care of very quickly. And with our next day delivery and installation and any in-stock product,
it's a 1-2 punch.
It's very easy.
But
now, one other thing, not to interrupt, one other thing, you can apply on our website too.
That's what I was just going to say. You can apply on the website too. So, you know, if you know, hey, I know what I want, I'm going to get this, you know, let me pre-apply for the financing and bring it all in. And, you know, it'll save you a little time in the showroom, you know, if your day is, you know, a little stressful and you have a lot to do on your honey to-do list, I would say. But, you know, the financing really, to me and a lot of the customers, opens up a world of possibilities. You know what I mean? Just from that piece that I need to what I want.
And why not use somebody else's money?
Play with house money.
Right? So if the bank says, here, we're going to give you an interest-free loan as long as you pay it off within the time frame. Why not use somebody else's money?
Yeah. I mean, let's just touch on some of the benefits. I mean, the benefits of, you know, 0% interest, opening up the doors, so to speak, for your household. I mean, I talk about, you know, handles matching in suite, you know, and you know, matching pieces, different stainless steel. You know, if you're going to put it next to something else that's 12 years old, it's going to look, you know, you're not going to be happy with it. It's really what.
Well, I always say, right, so when you go out and buy a new suit, do you buy a new shirt, tie, and shoes?
You buy the whole nine.
Of course you do, right? So when you're buying, let's say, a washer, you probably want to get the matching dryer. And, you know, sometimes if you're buying new kitchen appliances like a refrigerator, if we can offer that great financing program, then you can get the microwave, the dishwasher, and the range and span out those payments over the year.
Yeah, I mean, it adds to it. So, you know what I mean? You can get those extra accessories that you want. You talked about laundry, you know? Maybe you want the pedestals as well. I mean, everybody says, oh, man, I would really like those pedestals, but you're looking at it, you're like, do I need to spend, you know, the few $100s extra? Now, I know I can, and I'm going to be happy with it, you know, over the span of the appliance, which is huge, you know. I mean,
yeah, and a lot of times during the course of the year, we have special promotions that will even run 18 months same as cash. So every day we run 12 months same as cash.
Yeah.
Payments required. I always have to preface that because you still have to make those monthly payments. And there are those seasonal times, those buy times during the year that that you'll see that 18 months.
Yeah, that 18 months will pop up. And, that's the time I always say, here's the 18 months. Now it's time to load up. You need that garage fridge. You want that chest freezer to go along with it. Now pick up the microwave, too. I mean, the whole package, and ultimately you save on buying a whole package, too. I mean, there is a price break buying a whole package, right?
There definitely is, and there's usually rebates and manufacturers' promotions with the various Memorial Day holiday coming up, 4th of July holiday coming up. We've got Labor Day holiday, and then of course Black November and November through the end of December. So there's a lot of periods that are coming up that not only can you get great buys on appliances, you've got great financing options to allow you to get more options. And then always, one thing that I always, make sure people try and really consider extended warranties, because when you're buying a new product, you've got that additional extended warranty. If you're financing everything, it makes it a lot easier to do.
That's a huge point. Sometimes you might be teetering on it if you're using your money, about the extended warranty. Should I get it? Should I not? But now to double down. I mean, we love happy customers. We want happy customers. We all want everybody to save some money. Here's the deal. You know what I mean? We don't want anybody having, oh man, I went to Dawn's, this cost this. No, we want you to be happy with your product. We want you to be fulfilled. And now, we're offering that 12-month, that 18-month financing, to really seal the deal. And like you just talked about, you add those warranties on it too. It's a no-brainer. I mean, everybody that walks out, I see all these customers that walk out with financing, with slips in hand, happy because they got a great deal, they got the financing they want, and they got the product that they want. I mean, this is a no-brainer, hands down.
Absolutely, and like I said, the fact that the financing is easy to do in store, it's easy to do online. We've got the QR codes in store, we've got the kiosks in store. It's literally within 5 minutes we can have this really wrapped up for you. And then, as I said, if you have an in-stock appliance selection, we'll get it to you next day.
It's a dream, isn't it? It is. It sounds so great. I mean, but the customers, you guys have to be the ones to really fulfill it, because my kitchen's full of appliances.
And obviously, on our website, we do go into a little bit more in depth on our financing options. We've got all of our various store locations.
You can check the rebates out online too, right?
Rebates are online. The promotions are online.
If you ever question that.
That's at donsappliances.com. And then our videos. We've got some great videos at our YouTube channel, Don's Appliances.
Which is growing, man. There's and it's broken down into categories too, about grilling and everything else too. And you'll see some financing stuff on there as well. We attach that banner on too.
You don't have any videos on there, do you?
I have a few.
Okay,
maybe one or two.
So be sure to check out Chef Anthony's use and care videos on grills and various appliances at our YouTube channel. But as always, thank you for watching and listening.
Great seeing you, Matt. You know what I mean?